Coaching for Powerful Presentation Skills. Hello, my name is Dr. Rochelle Muir. I'm the Program Director for Faculty Development in the Office of Faculty Affairs at Wake Forest University School of Medicine. In this video, I want to share a quick but powerful tool that can help you become a more confident and effective presenter, especially when you are using slides and preparing to speak about important initiatives or findings. There is a tool embedded in the web-based version of Microsoft PowerPoint called Rehearse with Coach. This tool gives you real-time and post-rehearsal feedback on your presentation delivery, helping you to become more confident and engaging during a live lecture. The real-time feedback feature is one of the most helpful parts of Rehearse with Coach. As you speak, it gently flags things like filler words, pacing issues, or monotone delivery, so you can adjust immediately and strengthen your message before you ever step in front of an audience. Another unique feature of Rehearse with Coach is its ability to also give you feedback on your body language, such as whether you're facing the camera or looking away too often. It is a subtle but powerful way to improve how you connect with your audience, especially in virtual presentations where eye contact and posture really matter. It acts as your own private speaking coach, ready to help you whenever you are preparing to present. I am going to quickly walk you through the steps to use Rehearse with Coach. Open your presentation in PowerPoint for the web, not the desktop version. Click on the Slideshow tab at the top. Look for the Rehearse with Coach secondary tab. Select the drop-down to view and edit coach settings, and you will also have the option to select the body language feature if needed. To start, select Rehearse with Coach. Your presentation will go into slideshow mode, and a small window will pop up in the lower left corner. Select the box to show real-time feedback, allowing you to adjust on the spot. Click Start Rehearsing. When you are done, Coach will analyze your delivery and offer suggestions at the end. You will get a rehearsal report with insights on your speaking pace, use of filler words like or like, and suggestions to improve clarity and engagement. This tool is especially helpful if you are preparing to speak at faculty meetings, grand rounds, symposiums, or conferences. So give Rehearse a Coach a try. It is a low-stakes, high-impact way to polish your presentation delivery and boost your confidence. At Wake Forest University School of Medicine, our faculty deliver exceptional healthcare, pioneering research, and unparalleled education. The Office of Faculty Affairs is committed to supporting your success and career advancement.